How are jeans made in a factory? How are distressed jeans made? Jeans, which are also referred to as denim trousers, are constructed from cotton fabric. A sequence of laser machines is employed to subject this fabric to wear and strain. From the cotton field to the apparel store, each pair of jeans undergoes a long process. However, what is the actual process of manufacturing jeans? To ascertain the manufacturing process of denim, we visited a textile factory. Levi Strauss, a man, devised jeans shortly after the California gold rush by producing denim pants with copper rivets for miners. What was initially inexpensive outerwear has evolved into a luxury item. It is an understatement to assert that it was a triumph. The global denim market generates approximately $40 billion annually, with 450 million pairs sold annually in the United States. Denim is a type of cotton that is exceedingly durable and is utilized in the production of jeans. Growing cotton from germ to mature plant typically requires approximately 5 months. In these fields, cotton is grown, which is one of Mexico's most significant commodities. The cotton is separated from the fluffy germ of the plant using a cotton picker machine. This harvesting machine can harvest the same amount of cotton as a human harvester would in a full day in just 5 minutes. The cotton that has been harvested is compressed into substantial rectangular bundles that are prepared for transportation. For each ton of this harvest, there are 500 kilograms of seeds, 100 kilograms of leaves and other plant sections, and only 400 kilograms of cotton fiber. Sticks, residue, and remaining seeds are eliminated when the cotton reaches the processing facility. To transport the packaged raw cotton to a dispenser, bales are fed into a feeder. Its responsibility is to remove seeds and unwanted plant material from the unprocessed harvest by filtering it through a fine mesh, drying, and cleaning it. In the end, refined cotton bales weighing approximately 200 kilograms are obtained, which contains sufficient fiber to manufacture 325 pairs of jeans. Despite the dust generated by the process, the final result is rewarding. Nevertheless, the Aramar factory in southern Mexico is the first stop in transforming unprocessed cotton into denim fabric. The difficulty lies in that each bale of cotton delivered is marginally unique. The cotton must be blended to produce a uniform weave. The blowing room is the starting point for the procedure. Because the fibers do not yet resemble thread, laborers engage in carding, which involves untangling and separating the fibers, combing and pulling the cotton to create a web. A dense strand is subsequently formed by stretching the fibers together. The subsequent phase involves rotating. Cotton ribbons are stretched and twisted at rates of up to 120,000 revolutions per minute on these massive spools, which now resemble cotton thread at each of these stations. However, for denim to be blue, the cotton must first be dyed. The majority of denim is dyed with a distinctive indigo blue color. Indigo, derived from the indigo plant, is one of the earliest dyes used in textile dyeing. The color blue is produced when indigo reacts with oxygen. The threads are immersed repeatedly until the cotton thread develops a deep dark blue hue. Cornstarch is employed to harden the fiber. The cotton strands are now prepared for use after passing through the dryer. Even so, the fibers are exceedingly blue. To address this issue, the cotton is introduced into the loom and combined with a white thread. The warp, composed of 3 blue threads, is vertically extended on the loom for every 3 blue threads in the weaving process. Concurrently, the denim pattern is generated by weaving a white thread, known as the weft, horizontally across the loom. Each of these mills generates 3,000 meters of denim fabric each week. The textile factory receives the fabric after it has been manufactured. Initially, the shapes are digitally traced to optimize the utilization of each centimeter of fabric. The pattern is reproduced on a large sheet of paper and then cut by cutters. The operator is accountable for the reduction of material pollution. Once the patterns have been completed, it is time to begin cutting. 350 pairs of trousers can be manufactured from the 450 meters of fabric contained in this substantial roll. A lengthy table is covered with numerous layers of material. The denim fabric is then used to lay out the design. Subsequently, it is transferred to automatic cutting devices. These appliances are essential for reducing fabric waste and optimizing efficiency. The blade is so razor-sharp that it can simultaneously cut between 150 and 200 layers of denim fabric. A substantial quantity of fragments is generated from a single cut by multiplying the layers. The production of each pair of jeans necessitates 1.6 meters of denim fabric, several hundred meters of thread, 6 rivets, a zipper, and 5 buttons, and it takes 15 minutes. The cut denim fabric is transported to a raucous sewing room where approximately 300 individuals produce up to 6,000 pairs of jeans daily. The thread binds everything together, and sewing these sutures is complex. Each individual is responsible for a distinct garment component given the numerous stitching experts. While some individuals exclusively stitch zippers, others concentrate on pockets, and others exclusively sew seams. This machine embroiders pocket designs. Its tools are capable of producing 2,500 stitches per minute. On average, they will utilize over 10,000 meters of denim fabric and 75,000 meters of thread. To ensure that the outer seams are invisible, both edges are folded and stitched from the inside. About 25 individuals produce each pair of jeans, which are transported from one station to another. Following the stitching process, jeans are subjected to a laser machine, which is a relatively new manufacturing technique. A computer program regulates the laser's intensity and pattern. This technology diminishes water consumption. The laser treatment is a novel method for achieving the worn appearance of denim. The laser can remove or replace components through a chemical process, facilitating a more environmentally friendly production process. The laser can fade the denim or create holes through burns. This technique is rendered even more artistic by its ability to burn virtually any design. This equipment can transform jeans into the appearance of having been carried through a mine for the past 5 years in just 60 minutes. They are inflated and subsequently scraped with sandpaper by personnel. Each combination is distinctive because all operations are performed manually. The treatment of denim is what imparts their unique character. All procedures aim to replicate the effects of years of use and wear. To impart a sense of ruggedness, edges are occasionally refined. Certain styles necessitate an even more severe treatment with sandpaper, which can result in tears and even holes in the trousers. Then the gaps are patched to simulate a repair. This is the most costly component of the production process. It requires a significant amount of time to create the lines in the appropriate locations so that they resemble natural crease lines. To achieve the classic worn look, the next step is to use a chemical treatment, which involves spraying potassium permanganate. This bleaching procedure is used to discolor the jeans in specific areas further. A purple dye is incorporated into the aerosol to enable employees to observe the application of the product, as it is transparent. The purple color of denim is eliminated during the washing process, resulting in a bleached appearance. The washing of the denim is one of the most critical components of the process. Jeans are frequently subjected to stone scouring. To achieve a weathered and rugged appearance, jeans are washed with stones. The continuous pounding of the rocks also enhances the trousers' softness and flexibility. Ozone treatment serves as an alternative to stone cleansing. Ozone is a natural gas that is generated during thunderstorms. The denim undergoes fading when the indigo color is exposed to ozone. This allows producing the same effect as stone washing, but without using water. Finishing the pants is one of the final stages in the process. This entails the application of labels, the attachment of buttons, and the ironing of the denim. A final inspection is conducted before delivery to guarantee the quality of the product. Afterward, the trousers are packaged and dispatched to retailers across the globe. So this is the end of today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting and informative videos.